name is Erika Tolosa. I am studying microfinancial operation. This is family. This is my parents. My father, he has 56 years old. He is small and fat. He looks with appearance. He is a person introvert, funny and sincere. His birthplace is Garagoa, Boyacá. His birth is in April 1. He loves me father. He is my mom. She has 43 years old. She is small and fat. His name is Ana Ruby. She with the educate secret. She wants to travel to Cartagena next year with all of siblings. My older sister. She is my old sister. Her name is Carolina and she has 23 years old. She works in a shopping center. She does not like staying in shop, but she had a look of vegetables. He thinks that is very important. Be he older sibling and she does work very well. My dear brother, he is Alejandro. He is 22 years old. His favorite color is green and his food favorite is pasta. His favorite kind of music is popular music. He works in Matsari with PM and he is a accounting assistant. He likes to go to the gym. My little sister, she is Andrea. She has 19 years old. She works in a real estate agency. She is tall and her dress is green. She likes to wear dresses and sticks. She does not like to wear caps and hats. She really likes to read books and goes to the movie theater. Nueve. She is my nueve Isabella. She has 6 years old and the students and look, but she does not enjoy it. She prefers jumps and play with his toys. I hope she loves to study. And she is the best doctor or lawyer. I really spend time with her. Thank you.